Hi, I'm Pete from Bobcat, and we're talking R2 Series excavators. Your deadlines are tight, and downtime is never an option. R2 Series excavators come equipped with a redesigned Bobcat engine that delivers the power you need with greater efficiency. And there's no diesel particulate filter. That means no regeneration time on the job. This eliminates costly DPF maintenance, which means less time in the shop. As always, when it's time for routine maintenance, all key service areas are easily accessible. R2 Series excavators offer the performance you expect from Bobcat with no DPF and simplified maintenance. Visit bobcat.com for more details.